I would really like to give a shout out to dresses that allow me to just wear a normal bra underneath. A rare delicacy for me. So thank you, Coca-Cola Weird Dress. Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Justy. We are back for another unboxing, our second of this wonderful year 2022, and another Lolita one. I am very excited about what I have purchased from Baby Starshine Bright in Japan. I shouldn't have purchased it, but I did. This is my first time using a shopping service in Japan, the person who physically goes and reserves or buys the item for you in store. I haven't done this before, so I was a little interested in the whole process. Oh, this strap. It's killing me. Are we all like, good? Do we feel fine? I was really interested in the process, what it would be like, if it would be successful, and to be honest with you, I am incredibly pleased. I will definitely be doing this again when I'm a little more financially stable though. We don't want to talk about financial stability. We want to talk about cute dresses. So let's do it. Here's our box. Due to the ongoing pandemic, Japan doesn't actually send into Canada still. So I had to get this sent into the States and then up to me. I got hit with a hefty customs fee, which I would have gotten anyway if it just come into Canada. I was expecting it. Unfortunately, these dresses are not cheap. Still not something I love paying, but you know, it is what it is. I didn't bring any scissors out because of course I didn't. So I'll be right back. We have access. So I did get the whole set for this item, which I'm very excited about. First, very neatly packaged. Everything seems to have its own plastic covering, which is very nice because of course this doesn't come from the store. The person individually packages this for me and they've done a wonderful job. Hopefully by the collar and bow and such you can figure out, and from I guess the title of the video, whatever, but we're doing the Best Wishes collection. I did go for the sax and pink colorway, which clearly is a color combo I like. So here we have the blouse. Now this, I am certain, will not fit. I knew that going into this. We're gonna give it a try. If I flatten enough, maybe it'll cooperate. Unlikely though. I did buy it because it obviously matches so perfectly. So even if it doesn't fit, my intention is to get it altered, or I don't know, take the collar off and stick it on a whole different shirt. Whatever I need to do to make this work. But I'm not gonna be upset by it not fitting because I'm very aware it likely won't. So on this shirt, we have our beautiful pink and blue collar with a flap underneath, which is removable. You don't have to have the cute little flap if you don't want it, but I love it. It is stiff. It's clearly cotton, which is very nice. We have a lace, just plain, nothing decorative in it, which is fine. And then a big, beautiful sax bow that says Baby Starshine Bright on it. The buttons are gold and just like plain little circle. I don't know what to call these, but they're nice. They're basic. You don't need really detailed buttons with what's going on up at the collar, so I think that's a good call. And the back has the back of the collar with a bow right in the middle. That is so cute. We have got some darts to make it sit nice in the back. The cuffs are the same pink and blue with a little bit of decorative, I don't want to call that lace at the edge, but I guess technically it is. Whatever. And the same gold button. And then you've got this really nice decorative pleats. Oh my god, I'm really struggling today. Which hopefully could be let out and would help improve the size issue if the arms are a problem. It is so cute. I already love this blouse. I love the color combo. Everybody knows that like sailor aesthetic is my jam. Maybe it'll fit. But let's move to the next item. So I decided to go with the head bow instead of the little hat. Like the hat was cute in concept. I just don't know if I would look good with like a mini hat. And I don't know, I really love bows. So the bow it was. I picked blue. I thought that would look the cutest overall. It has Baby Starshine Bright written all over it. Again, it's very similar to the one on the front of the blouse. These do have wire in them, so you can reposition them to what you need, which is very, very nice. We've got little decorative rose lace, and up here just a more basic one. It matches what's on the sleeve cuff. And then a gold baby dangly in the middle. The headband seems very small, which I think will eventually give headaches. Ooh, look at that double bow. But I mean, if I take this bow off, oh, that's gonna mess up my hair. Oh yeah, right away you can tell, like, so this is headband, and this is this one. It's a much smaller headband, which is going to, this is very hard to illustrate. They're just smaller, but that will likely squish my head and be even worse than a wig. So that's a little bit concerning. I have heard people say before that baby has very small headbands. I didn't necessarily know what they meant until right now. See if we can position this in a better way. Okay, sure, that seems cute. And it matches the color scheme we got going on. So with the bow unboxed, that means we got one more thing to go. So I thought the blouse would probably give away that I did get the JSK and not the OP. The OP was cute. I just thought the JSK was the cutest. Oh my God, look at the colors. I am screeching. This is so cute, so cute. So again, this is obviously cotton, very stiff, very sturdy, which is nice. You've got this nice lace that goes up the sleeves, and it is supposed to fold over, and I can tell because it's sewed into one of the buttonholes, of which you have three options. Very nice. The front has the same blue strips that you find on the collar of the blouse. And then we go right into these big gold buttons that have the baby logo in the center. They are plastic, which is fine. The middle has our familiar blue ribbon that says Baby the Star Shine Bright, so they all match. And then we go down to our plain pink skirt, which does not have a pocket. That's fine, I guess. Just give us one pocket. You can do it. I get why you can't put it on the zipper side maybe. You could give us a pocket. And we come down to the bottom where we have more of the blue border here at the edge. And then we have a very nice light blue ruffle at the bottom. The back has the two buttons for adjustment, same button, same design on it. We have a blue ribbon for the partial shirring. I am happy to see any at all, so 10 out of 10. And then we have our nice blue waist tie with white trim on the edge of that, so that's really cute. The inside is a very fake lining polyester, very normal, that's fine. It's pink. It is lined up to the waist, and then you have a fold over at your bust here, but otherwise the bodice is not lined. You just have your yoke and that's it. Interesting choice. Usually it's the bodices that are lined and nothing else. Hopefully that's not too see-through. I mean, it seems pretty thick, but also I don't trust things. Oh my God, it's so cute. You know, she's pretty basic in terms of like, they're not really being a print. It's just really, really lovely blue and pink together in this like, gorgeous style. I'm so excited. Okay, so I talked about fit. This should definitely fit. Makes me nervous now that I've said that, but it should. Blouse is a maybe, so I'm gonna go ahead and give these a try and I'll be back. Now you might be celebrating to yourself and saying, hey, Justine, the blouse fits. Hold up. I did have to bind, which is what I expected, but I could only get the top button done up. Immediately at this area, wasn't happening. So clearly it can be worn with this dress and possibly other JSKs of this color scheme. But if I ever want it to be like just a shirt by itself, or if I ever want to do up my shirt, it does still need to be altered. Not as much as I expected though, considering I can at least get it like partial, like something is done up. So I'm hoping that would make the alteration easier. So I may still do that, we'll see. Not right away, but may. Also, these are very short, which is again, something else that I very much expect when I'm buying blouses from Japan. It is just never going to reach my wrists. That's the reality of the way the clothing is. That's why most of my blouses are short sleeves or like quarter sleeves or something, because then it doesn't matter. I'll just always kind of like hold my arms a little folded and then it's fine. The rest of the blouse is okay, like the shoulders are fine. I've got plenty of arm space up until the cuffs. It's very difficult to get my hands through the cuffs, but I also don't want to unbutton them because I will really struggle to button them up by myself, so it's kind of a lose-lose for me. The dress is great. I could zip up their dumb zipper all by myself, which very rarely happens, whether it's a size thing or not. Their zippers are just stupid, but there's enough space that this wasn't too difficult, and there's a hook and eye. Baby and Alice often give you hook and eyes, and Angelic Pretty does not. Give us hook and eyes if you're gonna give us these dumb zippers. But anyway, so it went on very easy. I feel pretty comfortable, other than the fact that, you know, obviously things are squished in here a little bit, but otherwise, like, it doesn't tug on my shoulders. I'm very comfortable. This strap is falling down, so I don't know if I need to adjust that or if things will fit if I do that. You can see they're still sticking out. It's also a bit heavier than my other dress and is definitely flattening this petticoat more, which is fine. It just means I need to get a better petticoat, which I've known for a while. It's cute. It's so cute. I am glad I decided to go with the blouse as well, because even though it's not perfect, I can wear it with this dress, meaning I can cord it right away. And again, I can just go get it altered a little bit or alter it myself if I'm feeling up to it. To improve how it sits. One thing I have noticed, I mentioned that the bodice doesn't have lining, it just has a yoke. And you can actually tell. It's kind of hard, it might not show up as well in camera, but you can very much see the line of the yoke where it ends. And while you wouldn't have this exact thing probably, you can actually see where my blouse like is open. You can see the line and it looks thicker. And honestly, you can see anything through it. So like dark bra or sports bra or binder, you're gonna see it. So I do wish that they had lined the bodice. I guess it not being lined has given me a little more space, but why not just line it and make it in the same size range, you know? So that's my one big critique. The bodice is not lined, things will be seen through it. I wish they had done that. Overall, am I happy with Best Wishes? Heck yes. This is such a cute style. I love that it doesn't have a print. I actually don't have a lot of non-printed stuff in my wardrobe, so I'm happy to be expanding that a little bit. I love the color combination. I love the sailor aesthetic. The bow is cute. I am very pleased that I went with that instead of the little hat. I think I'll be more comfortable in this. Am I kind of like thinking about the little hat right now just because I don't know what it would look like on me? Yes, but still, this is the better decision. I love the sailor collar. Oh my god, I can't even find it. There's so much lace up here, but I love it. It is so cute. Oh, I am excited to get to wear this somewhere. All right, that is our unboxing of Best Wishes today. Let me know what you think. Are you a fan of this dress? And if you are, what color would you have gotten it in? It is something so cute. I'm incredibly happy. I feel great in it. I can't wait for the blouse to be able to button up. That'll be exciting. Look forward to photos of me cording this and going out on my Lolita Instagram soon. Definitely give it a follow so you can see it all when it comes out. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.